What if you could finally get ahead financially, not by cutting back, but by earning more? If you're living paycheck to paycheck right now, barely saving or trying to pay off debt, you're not alone. According to Yahoo Finance, as of 2025, 69% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Auto debt is skyrocketing. Credit card balances have hit a record 1.3 trillion. And prices for everything from groceries to gas keep going up. But here's the good news. You can take back control, not by waiting for a raise or a miracle, but by taking action after hours. Today, I want to walk you through 10 of the best side hustles to make more money in the evenings and weekends, even if you already work full time. These are flexible, real, proven ways to generate income, some even with days of starting. No fluff, no get-rich-quick scams, but just real ways to grow your income and build the financial breathing room you've been looking for. Let's dive in. Number 1, freelance writing and editing. You don't need to be the best-selling author to make money writing online. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com are filled with listings for blog writing, ghostwriting, social media content, and proofreading gigs. According to ZipRecruiter, freelance writers earn on average $23 an hour, with some charging over $100 plus once they build the niche that they're in. Best part? You could start with AI tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly to speed up your workflow, and you control your schedule. If you enjoy writing and editing, this is one of the best side hustles from home. Number 2, virtual assistants. Busy entrepreneurs and small businesses are desperate for help. As a virtual assistant, you could be managing emails, scheduling appointments, running social media, or tracking spreadsheets. Per Indeed, the average VA makes around $27 an hour according to Indeed, and experienced VAs can earn even more than that. You don't need special software or certifications to start. You just need to be organized, communicative, and reliable. Number 3, flipping items online. This one's been around forever because it works. Buy items at garage sales, thrift stores, clearance racks, or even Facebook Marketplace, then flip them on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, or Facebook Marketplace. The average reseller earns between $500 and $2,000 per month part-time, according to Side Hustle Nation. Their target is between $150 to $250 per flip. Focus on niches like furniture, electronics, tools, or designer clothing. Start small, learn the platforms, then scale up. There are channels on Facebook that specifically put out content on furniture they buy or find for cheap, fix up and repair, and then sell. Some of them turn out better than anything you'll find in the store. Number 4, Amazon FBA or FBM. If you're looking to start a real business on the side, look into selling on Amazon. With FBA, you send products into Amazon's warehouses and they handle shipping and returns. With FBM, you fulfill the orders yourself. There may be some issues getting the buy box that way, but it's an option. Over 60% of all sales on Amazon are side hustlers or solopreneurs, and many earn thousands per month once they find winning products. Now, it takes time to learn, but this can become a powerful long-term side business. Number 5, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So I'll lead off by saying for this one, it takes a lot of time and it's very competitive. But with the right niche, consistency, and passion, it can absolutely pay off. Whether you're teaching a skill, sharing a story, or entertaining people, platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok can generate income through ads, affiliate links, brand deals, or digital products. According to ZipRecruiter, the average salary of a content creator is over $100,000. Now, honestly, this is on the high side and takes a long time to get up to that level. YouTube creators start earning ad revenue once they hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That can easily translate to $100 to $1,000 plus per month, depending on your audience. And as a bonus, it can also drive traffic to other side hustles you're running. For example, at the time of this recording, I only have a few hundred subscribers on this channel. But with the videos we have published, we have been able to help clients with their finances and real estate deals, leading to thousands of dollars in revenue. Number 6, driving or delivery. Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart. If you want fast cash with total flexibility, these apps let you log in and work whenever you want. According to Life Asset, drivers average between $17 and $20 an hour, depending on city and time of day. This is perfect for evenings and weekends, and you can even stack apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats to boost earnings. Here's a tip. Track your mileage with an app like QuickBooks or MileIQ to maximize your tax deductions. Number 7, tutoring or teaching online. If you're strong in a subject, or even just fluent in English, Spanish, or another language, you can get paid to tutor online. Sites like Wyzant, Cambly, or Preply pay anywhere from $10 to $40 an hour, depending on experience and subject. This is especially good if you're a parent and have a background in education. You can work from home, set your schedule, and get paid. Number 8, sell digital products. Create once, sell forever. That's the beauty of digital products. You can sell printable planners, resume templates, workout programs, meal prep guides, Notion templates. The list is endless. Use Canva, Notion, or even Google Sheets to build your products and sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, Stand Store, or even your own website. These allow you to utilize the knowledge that you already know to help others from your home. Number 9, pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, people love paying someone trustworthy to walk, watch, or board their pets. Pet sitters on Rover earn up to $1,000 per month part-time, and you can set your own schedule and rates. It's low stress, high satisfaction, and works great if you already have a pet-friendly home. Number 10, print-on-demand merchandise. This is a creative hustle with potential. Sites like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble let you upload designs for shirts, mugs, stickers, anything you can imagine, and they handle the production and shipping. Top sellers earn thousands per month, though beginners usually start around $100 to $500 once they find winning designs. If you're artistic and want to pair this with the content creation, it's a fun way to monetize your ideas. There are a million and one ways to make money after hours. Remember, you don't need to start all 10 of these. Just pick one and go all in for 90 days. Treat it like a real business. Set goals, track your progress, and keep learning. Because the truth is, you don't need to wait for permission to earn more. You already have the time. You just need to trade some of that Netflix time for income generating time. If you're ready to take your finances seriously, and if you want help choosing the right side hustle, building a plan around it, and actually keeping the money you earn, I'd love to invite you to book a one-on-one financial coaching call with me. We'll dive into your numbers, help you budget for success, and put systems in place to make sure your side hustle actually changes your life, not just your bank account balance for a month. Whether you're buried in debt or just want to accelerate your wealth, this call could be the most profitable hour of your year. Check the link in the description to book a time that works best for you. You've got what it takes. You don't always need a better job. You just need a better plan. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more practical tips to help you make, save, and grow your money. I'll see you in the next video.